trying to vlog and I'm back to work. It's been almost a year since I actually actively went for any exploration. So it's night, the generator is on, there's no light, I'm at camp, and I'm going to show you guys the life of a female geologist, like what it entails. I will be going out for prospecting tomorrow and I'll be carrying you guys along. So if the quality of this vlog is not too strong, please bear with me. I'm using my phone and light might be a problem, so I'm gonna carry you guys along. Tomorrow I would wake up very early to prepare breakfast for the team because our cook is not around and I'm the only woman, yes, amongst all the men here. So yeah, so I'll try at least to wake up early tomorrow and prepare breakfast and then go out to site, and I'm going to show you guys how it is, so good night, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's a fresh morning. I'm standing in front of my window and look at the sun. Look how cute my skin is looking. I know in a couple of weeks time I'm not going to be looking this cute because I only just resumed. So let me see if I can make the curtains. Alright, so I'll be going out today. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a man's long sleeve, very big and thick to protect my skin and protect myself from bites. And then I'm wearing a black, very free elastic trouser. That's what you want to wear. You want to wear something that you will be free in, long sleeve to protect yourself from the sun. I already applied my sunscreen. I had to take my tripod that is a bit sturdy. The other one was shaking. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I will be going to site with. So very important, I need my goggles, safety goggles to protect my eyes, like when I'm breaking rocks or even from the sun. I would be taking my cap, sorry, it's on the floor, my face cap. I would also be taking my hammer, my geological hammer, to break rocks. I have my lens. And my compass. Then I have this. I've forgotten what this is called, to hold my maps. And I'm also taking. I just had breakfast. I'm also taking a bottle of water. Very important, especially during the harmattan. My pen, my notepad, and my Freshio. I love Freshio so much. Okay, so I'm waiting for the local that will be taking me around. I actually braided my hair like this because I know this is going to last a long time because I'm here in a new environment and I really don't know anybody here or even have the time to go and braid my hair. So this should last me a while. The network here is pretty bad. It's so bad that before your WhatsApp message can deliver, it takes a long time. So I don't know if I'll be able to upload a video. Today is 29th of January, by the way. So I guess the next week would be when I'm on my way and I'm just going to show you guys how my day goes, okay? Peace. purposely did not show you guys everything I did, because it's not going to be easy for me moving around and carrying my camera, and if my phone should fall down it would break because of the terrain of the place. Okay, so yeah, I'm home. I'm gonna try to catch some sleep. I love how breathable this hair is. Like, it's so breathable and it's just so easy, and I can actually wash it and style it however it is I feel like styling. And I love how bouncy it is. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna try to catch some sleep, and I don't know if I'm going to show any other clip of today. So probably the next clip you might see might be tomorrow when I go to work. I don't know yet, but let's see how it goes, right? So normally I should wear my satin bonnet. Let's stand up right now. So today is the 1st of February and yes, 2021, and I've been walking around. Yeah, so so this is my surroundings. We are chilling and continuously mapping. Yeah, so that's what I've been up to. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I think this should be the end of the vlog. This is the end of the vlog. Please do me well by subscribing, liking and sharing this video, and let me know if you enjoyed this vlog and if you like me to do more vlogs like this. Ciao.